downstairs or is it up bathroom?
The most important job of the day, charging batteries. We're doing ductless. A lot of ductless for miles. Haven't seen the house yet, I just got here, so we will keep you updated throughout the day. It's going to be a tough one. I think there's like 5 heads.
5 what?
5 indoor heads and 2 outdoor units, so a lot of ductless going on at this house, so we'll keep you posted with all the excitement. You need a haircut, bro, huh? Yeah, I didn't even see your hair the other day.
Shoe covers just to keep any dirt or anything out from inside the house.
Some plastic in here.
We got 2 ductless units to install. Nice open area for us to mount it onto. Same in the other room. 3 units downstairs, and there's 1 in the basement. So we got our work cut out for us, but we'll get it done. Straight across now.
So we got the jobs here that, you know, shows the units. This is how prepared we are. We have the, it shows where the actual units are going in the bedrooms. And then it shows the line height that's coming down the outside of the house, the exterior. So we're very prepared here. And then we have thanks to Marissa in the office, always making our day exciting. Dude, you gotta put your hands here. Film this, please.
Hello.
Look at this kid. I'm half his age.
Half my age?
Half my age. Her office. This is the bedroom upstairs.
Not tall enough.
Can you reach it? Here, take it.
Anymore. No, I need the big giant.
What are you doing? Take the drill, dude. You couldn't reach the drill?
No, I can reach it.
Oh, then are you losing your marbles, dude?
I am.
Oh my lord.
The ground is usually flat. Roof, it's got pretty steep slope to it. Well, the nice thing with these legs move separately for reasons like this. So if like stairs too, you can extend them down to the bottom of the stairs. You're gonna have these on a step. You've got to do that a couple times.
We're working in a very old home today. Some of the walls don't have any insulation in it, and we've been probing out, and some of the walls are complete, you know, fully encaved in some type of wood. So what we're thinking is, because you can see the window depth here is about 6 to 8 inches. They used to build the house out of post and beam, and that would be the reason why the walls are so thick. But even because the walls are so thick, there's no insulation inside there. So we're drilling and we're hitting everything. We're drilling from the inside, drilling outside. It's just an older home has all these, you know, things to get around that are very difficult, you know. Just like the last ductless we did, I think you guys missed it. We drilled the sheetrock, and right behind the sheetrock was a stone wall and everything. So it was like, that was a major mess, but, you know, so stay tuned. Good. All right, pull it a little bit. Is that? Tuesday. It'll be Ductless Wednesday too. What we did is we had 6 heads, we call them. So there's 6 zones in this house in 2 outdoor systems. So we went around through the house today. Dog shut the door. We went around the house today, mounted all the indoor heads. Like I said in some of the other videos, there's a little challenge today because of how thick and old the 1883. Look at that. That's how old the house is. So 1883 home, thick, big beams, strong beams they had, you know, that held the house up, and it's just, you know, the walls are 8 inches thick. It was very tough. So we got it all done. So tomorrow we'll be all outside, and hopefully it won't be as hot and humid out. So catch you tomorrow.
Sunrise, sunset.
Day 2 is a lot of coffee. Hopefully no rain. Try to get the master bedroom system up and going, make our clients happy. Then maybe we'll focus on the bigger system, but at least we can get AC in the first floor part, and the master will be comfortable tonight. And see how far we can get. Maybe we'll get done today or a half day tomorrow on this, and we'll be good to go. So let's hope. A lot of rushing today.
Calvin's taking a nap. No, we just got our circuit outside for the ductless condenser that's going on that end of the house. Just stapling it back and getting it back towards the electrical panel. And I think somewhere in the far corner over there, Jeremy's coming through with a line set somewhere. See if we're going above the window, below the window, I don't know. If we can get this disconnect done, we need a LB. Short piece of pipe, connector, disconnect.
Alright. Good. This is what they call line hide. Covers a lot refrigerant lines, and try to match them, you know, as close as you can to the house. When Daryl comes out, it's got a bunch of samples, you know, just like a tile guy would, or anybody, painter. Try to match it. I mean, we only have like 3 or 4 colors, maybe 4, but you know, it's you know, we try to match the best we can to the siding. A lot of white we put in, but tan is we don't use that much of it, the tan, but it does blend in pretty nice. You can see another clip of what we just put in. It blends in real nice.
Well, this is the wire for the circuit. So we had to run new circuits to the new ductless systems, and it was a little tricky. It wasn't too bad. We had to come into like a weird angle, but these 2 are just the circuits for the disconnect and then the plug that we're adding. So these 2 wires are gonna go. One's gonna go to the disconnect, and one of them is gonna go to the plug out there, and then they go right to the panel. That's pretty much it. And that's just the circuit.
This is a Simon Special. See this?
Simon Special?
Simon Special. Look at this knot. Green goo. I don't know, matcha? What's matcha?
It's a tea, I think.
It's a tea, yeah. So, tea with almond milk. You'd like to think it's good for you, but it's probably horrible for you. But instead of drinking coffee all day, it keeps me excited. It's tea. It's got to have caffeine in it, right?
Yeah, it's a green tea. I think
Yeah.
it's like loaded.
Oh, good. We're in the spider's nest of piping back here, and this is where all the guys put me. Eventually, you're gonna see a unit sitting right here with 2, 4, 6, 8 pipes going into it. So at least. But right now we had a good day today. We'll probably stay a little later, just so we can move on to another job tomorrow. Break us up, keep moving. You know, it's summer. Gotta make the money while it's here.
Sunrise, sunset.
We got this condenser set. Last night they worked pretty late. They got all the ductless heads mounted. So this morning we're just finishing running the line sets, tying in the condenser, and we're getting pressure on it right now. So yeah, hopefully if everything goes right, we should be done pretty soon here. So right now what we're doing is we're starting and testing all of the ductless units in here. We just want to make sure that they're working properly. We want to test each of them individually, make sure there's no crossed wires or anything, make sure everything's done right. So we want to go through everything, make sure each unit's doing what it should, blowing cold air, blowing hot air, and just making sure that's good before we finish up and leave. Well, I screwed up. Running all the wires and feeding all the wires to Brad and telling him what was what, I mixed up 2 of the heads, so one of the units was not working properly. But we're gonna get them switched, we'll get them fixed, and then you get me rolling on with it. You get bluegrass kind of day. Alrighty, so we just finished up with this ductless job here. It's been a long 3 days, I think, almost. I was only here today. Today we were just tying in the last condenser. We had to tie in all the piping, get all the wiring squared away, and start it up and make sure everything works. Everything seems to be working fine. So we're gonna call it good on another install. So we're all done.